Well, now we need to do what? Merge sort. Understand, previously we discussed merger function. Merger is not doing any sort. We will use merger function to implement merge sort, right? Now we need to do merge sort. Further, I am taking one array. The elements are 13, 21, 47, 27, 16, 11, 12. Have you noticed, is there anywhere growth or decreasing anything? No, right? The elements are present in the random order, right? 13, 21, 41 sorted might be, but 27, 16, 11, 12 not at all sorted. They are present in different order, right? So straight away you cannot call merger on this. I need to manipulate this array such a way that I can call merger. So I need to do something on this array so that only I can call merger. For that, what I am trying to do, see here. Listen carefully. What is my array? Can you please help me out? Array. First element is what? 13, 21. Next what is what? 41. Next what? 27. Next what we have? 16, 11, 12. Well, so our target is simple. What I will do, I will split this array into two parts. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I want to split this into two parts, then compulsory I need to know start value and end value. What is the start value? 0, end value 6. So I will do one thing here for you. Mid is equal to start plus end by 2, because I really don't know the mid value, right? Well, I am just trying to dividing the array into two parts, right? So 0 plus 6 is how much? 6 by 2, 3. So what I will do, I will take this array into two parts. First part will be what? 13, 21, 47, 27. This is first array. Okay, fine. And what will be the second array? Because mid value is 3, right? Second array will be 16, 11, 12. Now again I am checking 0 to 3 sorted, 4 to 6 sorted. No, not at all sorted. Then what will I do? This is what? 0, 1, 2, 3. This is what? 4, 5, 6. Understand, very important point. Then again I will divide this array into two parts, this array into two parts. If I want to divide this array into two parts, then what should I do? 0 plus 3 by 2. 0 plus 3 by 2 is 1, right? 0 plus 3 by 2 is 1, means I will divide this array into what? 13, 21, and again I will divide this into what? 47, 27. Same. Now try to understand, previously for this array this is mid, but for this array this is considered as end. Remember that, very important point I am telling. For this array 3 is what? Mid, but for this array 3 is what? End. Now see, in this array 4 is what? Mid plus 1. 4 is what? Mid plus 1. But when you come to this array, 4 is considered as what? Start. 4 is considered as what? Start, and 6 is always considered as end. So 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 by 2, 5. Means 16, 11 is one array, 12 is separate array, right? Now again I will try to do what? 13 as separate array, 21 as separate array, 47 as separate array, 27 as separate array, 16 as separate array, 11 as separate array, 12 as separate array. Now what I did, I divided this into two parts. Again this one I divided into two parts. This one also I divided into two parts. This one I divided into two parts. This one I divided into two parts, like this, right? So first I divided into two parts. Okay. Next I divided into what? This part, this part. Next I divided this into this part, this part. This also I divided into this one, right? Next what I did, 16, 11 also I divided into two parts, and 12 is only one part. So try to understand. 16, 11 is divided into 16, 11 into 1, 12 into another array. So I need to write one recursive call which will take care of the first half. I need to write second recursive call which will take care of the second half, right? So I need to have two recursive calls. First one will take care of the first part, second one will take care of the second part. So I need to know what value only? Start value and end value. So that is the reason how I am calling here is, listen carefully, merge sort. See, previous function was what? Previous function was merger. Now the function name is what? Merge sort of ARR, 0, 6. ARR, 0, 6. Start value is 0, end value is 6. Start value is 0, end value is 6. I hope this is very clear. Now I need to write a merge sort. That's all. Our job will be done now. Void merge sort. How many arguments we are passing? 3 arguments. Int a array, comma, next what? Int start, comma, int end. Fine. next what should I do? If start less than end. Why? I need to have a recursive base condition. Whenever I'm trying to do recursion, there should be a base condition. That is my base condition. Next what should I do? Int mid is equal to start plus end by 2. Start plus end by 2, right? So now start plus end by 2 will give you what value? Mid value, right? So I need to divide the array from start to mid one array, mid plus 1 to end array, right? So how do I divide this? Merge sort of array comma start comma mid. Try to understand, very important point I am telling. Here second argument previously was end, now end value is converted to what? Mid. Means what? Here mid value is what? Here mid value is 3, here mid value is 3, that 3 I converted as what? End. That 3 I converted as what? End. Now mid plus 1 should be what? Start. Mid plus 1 should be what? Start, right? So whenever you are passing first argument is start, second argument is end. Start, end only we are passing. Understand? Then what can I do here? Merge sort a comma, now start is what value? Mid plus 1, right? See there, start is what value? Mid plus 1 comma end. Okay, now these two recursive calls will stop dividing until you reach a single elements, until you reach what? Single elements. Okay, fine. Next what can I do? I need to call merger a comma start comma mid comma end. That's it, completed. Now merge sort completed. Now listen, so totally in this program we are having how many functions? Main function, merge sort function, and one function I erased it, right? What was that function? Merger function. So compulsory you should write merger definition. If you don't write merger definition, then your algorithm won't work. Understand, very important this is. Okay, fine. Now we need to trace this algorithm. We'll trace this algorithm. Here we'll trace this algorithm. First main is there. Always we are calling from what? Main function. We are in which function now? Main function. Listen carefully. Let me start from here. Main is a function we have. Main function is calling what? I am writing merge sort. Merge sort simple shortcut I am writing as what? MS. Okay, MS a comma, I mean to say array comma 0 comma 6, a comma 0 comma 6. Now in the merge sort, first argument is a, in the merger also first argument is a. So going forward in the diagram, I will not write first argument. Understand? First argument implicitly array name. That is the reason I am not writing first argument. Okay. Remember carefully, merge sort is taking 3 arguments. Array name start to end. But merger is taking 3 arguments. Merger is taking 3 arguments. What is start, mid, end? First argument is what? Array name, right? So initially it is taking 3 arguments. This is taking 4 arguments. But I don't consider a. So this is start to end. This is start, mid, end. I hope this is very clear. Now I came to this function. Now tell, what is the value of start? This is start, right? This is what? Start. Just listen carefully. Always in the merge sort, first value will be what? Start, end is 6. Start, end is 6, right? Now listen carefully. Very important point I am discussing. Now what is the value of start? 0 and 6. Start value is 0 and value is 6. 0 less than 6 true, mid. Start plus end. Start plus end means what? Start value is 0, end value is 6. 0 plus 6, 3. 3 by 2, 3 means now you need to execute this line. I'll keep this as line 1, line 2, line 3. If 1, 2, 3 lines are completed, then only this function call completed, then you need to come back. Means this function is executing how many lines? 3 lines. This function is executing how many lines? 3 lines. Okay, this function is executing 3 lines. What is the first line it is executing? What is the second line it is executing? What is the third line it is executing? You need to know, right? Now we need to execute second line and third line also. What is the first line it is executing? Can you please tell? Merge sort of first is argument array name and we are passing start value. What is the start value here? 0 comma mid. What is the value of mid? 0 plus 6 by 2, right? 0 plus 6 by 2 is 3. This is the first line. Now after this line is completed, now I need to come to this line. What is this line? Can you please tell? Mid plus 1. Mid value is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4 and end value is 6, right? So there is another call. What is this call? Merge sort of 4 comma 6. Okay, if this line is completed, now I need to execute this line. If this line is also completed, now I need to come and execute this line. What is this line? Merger of start value. What is the start value? 0 comma, next what? Mid value. Mid value is what? 3, end value is what? 6. Means what? 0 to 3 is sorted and 6 I mean say 4 to 6 also sorted. 4 to 6 also sorted, right? Now I need to execute this line. After this line completed, now I need to come and execute this line. After this line completed, now I need to execute this line, right? Now currently I am standing at merge sort of 0 comma 3. Now again I need to call which function? Merge sort function. Meanwhile I will come here. What is the value of start? 0 and 3. See, here end value is 6, here end value is 3. Now I am talking about this array, right? I am talking about this array. On this I am calling what? Merge sort. On this I am calling what? Merge sort. Now here also we are executing 3 lines. Why 0 less than 3? True. Come here. Start value is 0, end value is 3. 0 plus 3, 0 plus 3, 3, 3 by 2, 1. Means here 3 lines are executed. First line, second line, third line, right? So statement 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 are executed, right? 1 line is executed, 2 line is executed, 3 line is executed. What is the first line is telling? Can you please tell? First line is telling what? Merge sort of start value. What is the start value? 0 comma end. End value is how much? 3. 0 plus 3, 3. 3 by 2, 1. So start comma 1. Next line will be what? Merge sort of mid plus 1. Mid value is 1, right? 1 plus 1, 2. Comma end value is 3 here. Right. Next, what is the next line? Can you please tell? Merger of start to mid to end. Start mid plus 1 end, right? So 0 comma 1 comma 3. What is the meaning of this line? 0 to 1 is sorted, 2 to 3 is also sorted, right? Now I need to execute this line, next this line, next this line. Now first I need to execute this line, right? See, when 1, 2, 3 lines are executed, then only first line is completed here. Now again, we need to come to this one. Now this one also should execute 3 lines. This one also should execute how many lines? 3 lines. First line, second line and third line. This is first line, second line and third line. First line, second line and third line, right? Well, now we'll execute 3 lines for you. See here carefully, okay? Try to understand. What is the first line? 0 less than 1 true, 0 less than 1 true. Come here. Start value is 0, end value is 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 0, right? So mid value is 0. Start value is 0, mid value is also 0, right? So what is the first line? Merge sort of 0 comma 0. Merge sort of 0 comma 0. Can you please tell mid value is how much? 1. 1 plus 1. Try to understand. Mid value is what? 0, right? Mid value is 0 here. This is start, this is end, right? So 0 plus 1, 1, 1 by 2, 0. So mid value is 0. That's what I am telling. Start value is 0. Mid value is also 0. Mid value is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Right? So merge sort of mid value is 0. 0 plus 1, 1 comma end. End is 1. Right? That's what. See. Always you remember 0 is start, 3 is end. That 0 start came here. 3 came here. 0 plus 3 is 1. 1 by 2 is 0 plus 3, 3. 3 by 2 is 1. 1 came here, 1 plus 1, 2. Always you remember, that's how it happens. This is start, this is end. 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 This is start, this is mid, this is end. This is what? Start, mid, end. That's what we are able to see, right? So how did you get end here? Start plus mid by 2, right? How did you get end here? Start plus mid by 2. How did you get end here? Directly we are going to get end, right? So here only mid value you got, but here directly end we have. Now, what is the next line we need to execute? Merger of. Can you please tell what is the next line? Merger of 0 to 0 is sorted. Next, what should I do? Mid. Mid value is also what? 0. Next, end value is 1. What is the meaning of this line? 0 to 0 is already sorted. 1 is also already sorted, right? Now, try to understand. Very important point I am telling. Now, again I need to come here. I came. Try to see here. 0 less than 0, false. False means this code is not executed. Now I came here, but nothing I did, I went back. Means what is the meaning? First line is completed. If this line is completed, now you need to come here, right? I came here. Now I am in the merge sort function. I am in the merge sort function. Now tell 1 less than 1 is also false. Now I need to come back. Now what is the meaning? This line is completed. This line is completed. Now I need to execute this line. What is the meaning of this line? Merger is telling 0 to 0 is sorted, 1 to 1 is sorted. Yes? Well, so 0 to 0 is sorted, 1 to 1 is also sorted, right? Okay, fine. So let me write it here so that you are comfortable. Same array only I am drawing. 13, 21, 41, 27, 16, 11, 12. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fine. Now what merger is telling? 0 to 0 is sorted, 1 to 1 is also sorted. Now what I need to do, when you give this as a left array, this as a right array, I need to compare the two arrays and I need to sort. Then what happens here, can you please understand? So in this case here what happens, try to understand. So this array is sorted, this array is sorted, this array is sorted. Then what will I do? Nothing I need to do because both are sorted only. Fine. So now this line also completed. Now first line completed, second line completed, third line completed means this is completed. So now I need to come to second line. Merge sort of 2, 3. Merge sort of 2, 3, right? So I came here, start value 2, end value 3. 2 less than 3 true. 2 less than 3 true means again you come, recursion is executed. Here also how many lines will come? 3 lines are coming, right? Here also we are getting 3 lines. First line, second line, third line. First line, second line, third line. What is the first line is telling? Can you please tell? 2 plus 3, 5, 5 by 2, 2, right? So what this is telling, can you please understand? Merge sort of 2, 2. Why? Start value is 2 only, but here the argument is mid. Mid is how much? 2 plus 3, 5, 5 by 2 is 2. So mid is also 2. Next what? Merge sort of, next what is the value? 3, 3. Next this value is what? Let me put 3 here. Merger of 2 to 2 is sorted and 3 to 3 is also sorted, right? Well, now I need to again come here. I came to the merge sort. See, first line, second line, third line completed, then only second line is also completed, right? Come. So 2 less than 2 is false. So recursion is stopped here. Again come, recursion stopped. Now first line completed, second line completed. Now third line I need to execute. Now what third line is telling? 2 is sorted, 3 is also sorted. 2 is sorted, 3 also sorted. Now I need to convert into sorted array. So if you want to convert into sorted array, then what happens here? 27 will come here, 41 will come here, right? It is telling this is sorted array, and I need to merge the sorted array. That's what merger is doing for me. Fine. Now what is completed? First line completed, second line completed, third line completed means this line also completed. Now first line completed, second line completed. Now I need to execute third line. What third line is telling? Start to mid is sorted. Check once. 0 to 1 is sorted. Yes. Next what it is telling? 2 to 3 is also sorted, right? Mid plus 1 to end is also sorted, right? 2 to 3 is also sorted, right? This will be your left array, understand? This will be your left array sorted, and this is also right array sorted. Left array is sorted, right array is sorted. Then what merger will do? It will merge both arrays. So after all, once this is completed, then what values you will get? You will get 13 only, next you will get 21 only, 27 only, 41, because entire array is sorted for me, not required to worry at all. Sorry. So 21, it's not sorted, no. 21 will come here, 27 will come here, right? Now 13, 21, 27, and this is 41. Fine. So now merger is completed. Now first line, second line, third line completed means the first line also completed. First line also completed. Now I need to come to second line. What second line is telling? Merge sort of 4, 6. Merge sort of 4, 6. Now 4 less than 6 is true. 4 less than 6 is true. 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is how much? 10. 10 by 2, 5. Means 4 to 5, next 5 to 6 I need to do, right? So here we are having 3 lines. What is the first line? Can you please tell? First line, merge sort of 4, merge sort of 4, end value is how much? 6. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 by 2, 5. Merge sort of 4, 5. What is the next line? Can you please tell? Just merge sort of 4, 5. Next is what? Merge sort of, can you please tell? 5 plus 1, right? 5 mid value is 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So 6 comma 6. Next what we have, can you please tell? Merger of what is that line we are having? Merger of start value 4, mid value 5, end value 6. So up to here what was my array, can you please tell? My array was how it looks for me. 13 was there, 21 was there, 27 was there, 41 was there, and let me write it here. What was my array up to here? Up to here what was my array? 13 was there, 21 was there, 27, 41, and 16, 11, 12. So try to understand, this was already sorted. Up to here we sorted, now I am talking about 16, 11, 12 only, right? Fine. So this is what the array we have. Now I need to call merge sort of 4 comma 5, right? This is what first line, this is second line, this is third line. Every time we need to execute first line, second line, and third line. Now what is first line is telling? Merge sort of 4 comma 5. Merge sort of 4 comma 5. So 4 less than 5 true, come here again. 4 less than 5 true, come here again. So this is also executing again 3 lines for you. Try to understand. First line, second line, third line. First line, second line, third line. First line, second line, third line. Index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember that. Okay. Fine. What first line is telling? Merge sort of 4 comma 4 plus 5 by 2, right? So merge sort of start value is 4, end value is 9. Sorry, 5. 5 plus 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 by 2 is what? 4. 9 by 2 is what? 4. So what it is trying to tell for you? Can you please tell? Merge sort of 4 comma 4. Next is what is the next line? Merge sort of 5 comma 5. Next merger of 4 to 4 comma 5. So now you come to 4 to 4. 4 less than 4 false. Come back. Next 5 to 5. Come here. Come back. Nothing, right? Because start and end are same. Now what is the meaning of this line? 4 to 4 is sorted and 5 to 5 is also sorted, right? So what merger will tell? Already this array is sorted, this array is sorted, now I need to merge. When I try to merge, what happens here? This value is updated to 11, this value is updated to 16, this value is updated to 16. Now first line completed, second line completed, third line completed, now I need to come back. Okay, I came back. Now merge sort of 6 comma 6 means come here, come to the function. Whenever I came to the function, 6 less than 6 is false, now again I come back. Okay, I came back. Now first line completed, second line completed, now third line. What third line is telling? 4 to 5. 4 to 5 is already sorted. Yes, 11, 16 is sorted. 11, 16 is sorted. And sixth element is also sorted. 12 alone. See, this array is sorted. This array is also sorted. Then what merger will do? This array is split into left array. This array is split into right array. And both left array and right array are merged again. Left array and right array are merged again. Means after all, these values are replaced with what? First value will be 11. Next value will be 12. Next value will be 16. Right? So this entire array is sorted. Now first line, second line, third line completed. Now you need to come back here. Now first line completed, second line completed. Now you need to go to third line. Now you need to go to what? Third line. Right? Fine. What third line is telling? Can you please tell? 0 to 3 sorted. Can you please take 0 to 3 sorted? Yes. Next what is telling? 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 to 6 also sorted. 4 to 6 also sorted. So try to understand. 13, 21, 27, 41 is sorted. 11, 12, 16 also sorted, right? Now what merger is telling? I will take this array into left array. I will take this array into right array, right? 0 to 3 is what? Left array. 3 plus 1, 4 to 6 is the right array. Well, next it will start comparing all the elements and it gives you the final output. What is first value will give? 13 is compared with 11, so populate 11. 13 is compared with 12, so 12. Next 13 is compared with 16, so 13 you will get. Next 21 is compared with 16, so 16 you will get. That's all, and remaining part of this array is copied. So what happens? 21, 27, 41. This is what the array we are going to get. Once this line is completed, you will come back here. Next main also completed, right? Fine. So with this, what we have seen, merge sort analysis. Now we need to see the time complexity and the space complexity, right? Fine. Now we are going to see the first space complexity. After space complexity, we will see what? Time complexity also, right? Fine. So what is the meaning of space complexity? The meaning of the space complexity is, try to understand, the meaning of space complexity is extra amount of memory required to run an algorithm is called space complexity. So when this was my given array, in the last call, if you see, I divided this array into 0 to 3 one array, 0 to 3 one array, and I mean say 4 to 6 as another array. So the new array, left array size is 0 to 3, right array size is 4 to 6, right? So what will be the total size of extra array? Same as a given array, See, in the merger function, I created two arrays. The total size of the two arrays will be what? O of n. So merger function is taking space complexity as O of n. Why merger is taking space complexity as O of n? Because it is creating two arrays. The size of the two arrays together will be O of n. First array, if this is having 4 elements, second array is having 3 elements, total size will be what? 7 elements. So the space complexity of your merger algorithm will be O of n. Now in the merge sort, only I took one mid variable. So strictly speaking, it don't take any memory, but due to recursion, stack is taken. How the stack will be there, I am going to show you here. How the stack will be there, you need to see. Whether all these functions are populated or not populated, you need to know. Let me write all the functions with the function calls. Okay, let us take this is the first function. I mean say I am writing all the numbers sequentially. This is 2, this is what? 3, this is what? 4. I am writing all the function calls basically. Next, this will be what? 5, right? Just here 5, 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10, this is what? 11, this is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, this is 17, 18, 19. So understand. So do you really think 19 activation records are stored on the stack or 19 activation records are not stored on the stack? You need to know it, right? First, main is there. Main will call which function? Understand? This is my stack. First main is there. Main will call which function? Function 1. Okay, fine. Function 1. So function 1, try to understand how the flow will be there. Function 1 will call which function? Function 2. Now see, when will you come to third function? If 2 is completed. When 2 is completed, if it is calling 5, 6, 7, again 5 should call in turn 11. 11 is completed, then only I will come to 5. Again 5 is in turn calling 12. 12 is completed, again I will come to 5, and again I need to come to 13. That's how the recursion is happening. Now 2 is in turn calling which function? 5 function. 2 is in turn calling which function? 5. Now when 5 will be completed? When 11, 12, 13 are completed, right? Now 5 is calling which function? 11 function. So 11 is completed, means 11 is removed from the stack. 11 is removed from the stack. After 11 completed, next is which function? 12. So 12 is also completed. If 12 is also completed, next which function? 13. Have you noticed 11, 12, 13 are in the same level? So they are also reusing the stack. Understand? Once 11 is completed, I went to 5. Once 11 is completed, I went to 5. Have you noticed how did I come? First from here, I came to this function. 2 is calling which function? This function, right? 5 is calling which function? 11. So once 11 is completed, I came back. Understand? I came back to this function. Next, after that, what I need to call? 12. Who is calling 12? 5 only. See, 5 only. Next, after 12, next I need to call which function? 13. Now I came to 5. So 11, 12, 13 completed means 5 completed. Understand? The flow, how we need to start? Try to understand. Top to bottom I need to go, left to right I need to go. Top to bottom I need to go, left to right I need to go. Now 5 is completed. If 5 is completed, what should I do? Can you please tell? Can you please tell 5 was called from? 5 was called from 2. Once 5 is completed, now again I need to go to where? This way. Try to understand. From here again I need to start. Now I need to call which function? 6 function. Now I need to call which function? 6 function. Sorry, not here, no. 13 is also completed here, but 5 is completed, 6. Now try to understand, we started from where? 6. Okay. Now again we came to 6 function here. Okay, I came to 6 function. When 6 will be completed? After 14, 15, 16. Means 6 is initially calling which function? First it is calling 14. 14 completed. Again I came to 6. 14 completed, I came to 6. Again it is calling which function? 15. 15 completed. Again I am coming to which function? 16. 16 is also completed. Now see here how I went from 6. I started here. I came to which function? 14 function, completed. Now again I came to 15 function, completed. Next again I came to 16 function, completed. Then only we are able to complete which function? Try to understand, 6th function. Then only we are able to complete which function? 6th function. After 6th function is completed, now I need to call which function? 7th function. Okay, now I call 7th function. 7th function is not having any recursive call, right? 7th is a merger, not merge sort. 7th is a merger. Now 7th also completed. Can you please tell? Have you noticed? 5, 6, 7 are on the same level. Okay, fine. Now I came here, second function also completed. Right? Means how I came here, can you please tell? I went to this function also completed. Now I came to second function. So have you noticed? Second function is calling 5th function, 5th function is calling 11, 12, 13. So second function called 5th function, 5th function called 11, 12, 13 functions. Once 11, 12, 13 completed, 5 also completed. Now again I came back to 2. 2 is in turn again calling 6 function. 2 is in turn calling 6 function. 6 is in turn calling again what functions? 14, 15, 16. Okay, so 14, 15, 16. Once 14, 15, 16 completed, I came to 6th. 6th completed. Now I need to come to which function? Second function. Second again called which function? 7th function. Second again called 7th function. When 5, 6, 7 are completed, second also completed. Now I need to come to third function. Means I need to come here. Now which function is called? Third function. Now which function is called? Third function. Now we are in the third function. When third function will be completed? When 8, 9, 10 are completed. Now third function is calling which function? 8th function. Okay, now what I am trying to do? See, I will draw the diagram again. So I will come here. Once this is completed, no. So from here I need to come 8th. From 8th is calling what function? Can you please see? 8th is calling this function. I need to come here. Again I need to come here. Again I need to come here. After that only I will come and I need to come here. So after that what will I do? Nothing to do call. From here I will come here. So then only I will come here. Means 8th is calling 17, 18, 19. So 8 is calling what? First it will call 17 function completed, 18 function completed, 19 function. When 17, 18, 19 functions completed, try to understand 8th function also completed. Okay, 8th function completed means come back to 3. I came to 3. 3 is in turn calling which function? 9 function. 3 is in turn calling which function? 9 function. Okay, 9 function, there is no more recursion. So I need to come back. Okay, I came back. Next I need to call which function? 10th function. Fine. So when 8, 9, 10 completed, you need to come here, right? So 3 also completed. So after 3, now I need to call which function? 4th function. So 1 is only calling 4th function. Okay, fine. So I came to 4th function. Once the 4th function completed, first function completed. So have you noticed? Try to understand. What is the activation records? I took 1, 2, 3, 4. Maximum I took 4 elements. It is nothing but the growth here is what? Logarithmic growth. The growth here is what? Logarithmic growth. So for the merge sort, for stack, what is the maximum we took? O of log n. O of log n. O of log n. Understand? Very important point I am telling. So space complexity, understand? Space complexity for the merge sort, okay, is O of n plus O of log n. O of n is for extra array, left array and right array, which is there in the merger, and O of log n is for a recursive stack which is used in the merge sort. So overall space complexity will be what? O of n. Why? Because O of n is the dominating term. So space complexity of the merge sort will be O of n. Space complexity of the merge sort will be what? O of n. And the time complexity I am writing here. When you next I will explain that. So time complexity of the merge sort will be what? O of n log n. So if time permits, we will see that. So the time complexity of the merge sort will be what? O of n log n. Understand? Very important point. This is okay. So compared to bubble sort, merge sort is running faster. Why? The time complexity of the bubble sort is O of n square. Selection sort O of n square. Understand? Very important point. Selection sort, insertion sort, bubble sort, the time complexity is O of n square. So merge sort is O of n log n. So this is a most stable sort. Why? Whichever the array you give, it will always take the time as O of n log n. But if you take bubble sort, when you take bubble sort, if the array is sorted, it is taking how much time? O of n. It is taking how much time? O of n. But it is always taking n log n. Means most stable sorting technique is a merge sort. Why? Whatever the nature of the array you give to merge sort, it will always give you what? O of n log n only. I hope this is very clear. Now anyhow we need to see the time complexity also. We will see that. See, have you noticed here? 2, 3, 4 are in same level. 2, 3, 4 are in same level. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are in same level. See here? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are in the same level. These are all in the same level. Next what? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 all are in same level, right? 11 to 19 are in the same level. So this is the first level, second level, third level, right? So this is how we are going to see the stack. Anyway, okay? Fine. So how we need to go here? Top to bottom, left to right. Top to bottom, left to right.